everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are Tech4Life. As you know, on June 16, at the Honor 50 series conference in Shanghai, Honor officially released 3 smartphones. These smartphones are the Honor 50, 50 Pro, and 50 SE. These are the first Honor smartphones to support Google's GMS in over a year. Furthermore, all 3 smartphones come with 108MP cameras and support up to 100W fast charging. And this is Honor 50 Pro, the phone that we will meet in this clip. In addition, this series also has a very thin and flexible feel. The Honor 50 weighs only 175 grams and the thickness is only 7.78 millimeters. As for the Pro model, it weighs 187 grams and the thickness is 8.05 millimeters. The Honor 50 Pro inherits the aesthetic genes of the Honor Digital series and adopts a unique dual mirror design. With the main camera lens ring design like a metal ring, it is very unique and eye-catching. Also eye-catching is the color scheme of this series. As for the color options, the Honor 50 Pro smartphone comes in titanium silver, emerald green, midnight black, Icelandic frost, neon purple colors. The Honor 50 Pro has dual SIM card slots. You can use the services of different carriers and have 2 numbers. The smartphone doesn't support expandable storage, so you can't add an SD card. And there is support for 5G. The internet will be fast because the connection speed will be 10 to 25 gigabits per second. It does not have a standard 3.5mm headphone jack, but you can still use them as the adapter comes with a USB Type-C. The Honor 50 Pro should definitely not be lowered into the water or taken to the shower, as it is not waterproof, which is typical for this segment. The Honor 50 Pro uses a 75-degree super curved screen. The increase in curvature not only provides a better grip but also brings a more immersive visual experience. Honor 50 Pro smartphone has a 6.72-inch AMOLED display with FHD+ resolution and 392 pixels per inch pixel density. It has an aspect ratio of 20:9 and screen-to-body ratio of. This device supports 1.07 billion color displays, 120 Hz screen refresh rate, and 300 Hz touch sampling rate. The display is quite good quality for phones within this price range. The Honor 50 Pro also support a dynamic refresh rate which will help to save the battery. The Honor 50 Pro also comes with a 8GB or 12GB of RAM, and internal memory, ROM, of 256GB. This phone run on Magic UI 4.2 based on top of Android 11, Google Play services out the box. Global versions of these smartphones will also come with GMS support out of the box. The model will be a great choice for people who are used to the Android 11 OS, which is worth buying right now because the price of the device is very cheap. Connectivity options on the Honor 50 Pro include Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth V5.20, and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include in-display fingerprint sensor. The Honor 50 Pro are the world's first Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G smartphones. Its processor speed is octa-core. The GPU is the Adreno 642L. This smartphone support the familiar GPU Turbo X and Link Turbo. This is the first time that these features are ported to the Qualcomm Snapdragon platform. GPU Turbo X enables this new smartphone series to achieve a full-frame experience of popular games. Link Turbo technology supports dual SIM dual WLAN 4 network intelligent collaboration. It offers better connections under complex networks, lowers latency, and a smoother experience. The Honor 50 Pro are equipped with NFC Smart Flashcard 2.0, which enables smart switching between bus cards and access control cards without the need to choose. At the same time, it supports all-scenario smart interconnection and multi-screen collaboration to make life smarter and simpler. The Honor 50 Pro model uses a 4000 mAh battery that supports 100W fast charging. According to Honor, the regular model comes with 66W fast charging and delivers 70% of the battery in 20 minutes. For the Pro model 100W fast charging, it gets to 90% in the same 20 minutes. There is no wireless charging, but its absence in this price segment is not critical. The battery uses the LiPo technology and it is non-removable. This battery could last for a day on an average heavy usage. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Honor 50 Pro on the rear packs 108MP Samsung HM2 sensor. While the other cameras include an 8MP ultrawide snapper and two 2MP modules for macro shots and depth shots. The Honor 50 Pro model has a dual selfie camera, specifically three 2MP main plus one 2MP ultrawide cameras. Like most dual punch-hole selfie camera phones, the sensors are in a pill-shaped cutout. It supports features NeoVision camera engine, like Super Night Scene Mode, Digital Zoom, Auto Flash, Face Detection, Touch to Focus, Portrait Mode, Time-lapse slow-motion video recording, and 4K video recording. In China, the Honor 50 Pro will commence pre-sale from June 25, while the Honor 50 SE will start pre-sale on July 2. Honor 50 Pro smartphone price in India is 39,999 rupees. Although Honor confirmed that these smartphones will be available in over 40 regions, it did not give any specific date for the global release. Now, our Honor 50 Pro video is over here. What do you think about this flagship? Let's your comment here, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, support for my channel. Okay, time to say goodbye. See you next video. Bye bye.